So this is a Mark 7.5. This is Austin Perry. So Austin Perry, Austin, people. This is a 2018 GTI Mark 7.5 SE. So it does have the performance pack and lighting pack. What all you got done?
Well, it's full bolt-on, EQT turbo, APR MPI kit. Still in the earlier visions of the tune, but should be making around 450 wheel.
450 wheel, that's a lot on this car. Get a lot of fun. And then you said you upgraded the brakes, did the ECS two-piece rotors as well as Porsche front. What are the Porsche brakes off of?
McCann.
Okay. And that bolted right up, really?
Bolted right up. Performance pack on it.
Okay.
You could put it on a standard one, but of course it does shields and whatnot.
Yeah. So what lowering springs are you on right now?
It's got H&Rs on it.
Okay, perfect. And Austin basically got this free set of reaction coils from them. They decided that they wanted to get those on a car for us to get video of and for promotional use and review. And so we're gonna give this set to Austin. We're gonna put it on the Mark 7.5 today, and then in a few weeks he's gonna let us know what he thinks about them and whether they're good or bad. And we'll cue in something in the description probably with his review of them and how he likes them so far. So.